This is a demo of the software starting from the splash screen to the home page. So this is the home page, and note that every data here is demo data and is simulated to represent real life use. So I'm going to go over the features of the application. So this is the first page. Students can see their course registrations and what they've not, the deadline. They can also see live classes, the attendance. So these are just like suggested activities. Then we move on to the quick access. So attendance. So instead of the traditional method of passing papers up and down to sign attendance, students will be able to scan a QR code generated by the lecturer to scan attendance. So because I'm on a simulator and I don't have access to camera right now, but basically students can scan a QR code and they can view all the attendance, the class, you were present here, you were absent here, this is still pending because the attendance has not been marked. So then we also have live classes, and here the lecturer will just like Google Meet, lecturer will be able to create a live class, share video. Meanwhile, all other participants that are students will just join and it will be audio only. So there is a tab where I am sharing my face, and also in that tab lecturer can share his own screen. So for example, I am just going to share the admin panel screen, and we'll go back to the mobile app and we can see that it is what is being shared there that is displaying here. So that's about live class. So you can join live class with code, or the list of all the live classes that are currently holding will appear here, and you can also join by tapping. Also, the next thing is timetable. You can view your weekly schedule and all the courses you have on the timetable. So it's also designed in such a way that there will be no clash in timetable, because that's a common problem in universities. And the next is going to be shuttle tracker. So students will be able to track movement of shuttle and transportation, so they know when they have shuttles nearby and the nearest position of the nearest shuttle. The school can push news feed and updates to students. Students get notification and all these things, and they can also conduct elections, like student union election or faculty election, from the convenience of the app. The school can also push out polls for them to get feedback from students. For example, if there's a new policy or a new development in school and school wants to get the thoughts of the students and their reaction, like some sort of a feedback, we can get it like this. Moving on to the academic page, this gives like a brief summary of students' academic, like for example the active live classes, the schedule, timetable, the registered courses, the learning materials. So they'll be able to watch videos uploaded by lecturers, download lecture notes, review a live class. So let's assume we had a live class not too long ago. The whole session of the live class would be recorded, and students can come back to come and access it here for reference purpose. And we'll also have artificial intelligence to be able to assist students. So it's not going to be a chatbot, so students don't misuse it. It's just going to be a recommendation system. Students can ask how their performance is. Students can request for their projected CGPA, and they can learn how they can be better, because we have access to the attendance, assignments, and a lot of data. So we're able to predict students' performance we know their strong points and their weak points, and we can work on it. So all this data here is still simulated because we need actual student metrics to be able to bring it to life. Then also students can view the fees that they are defaulting, they get notification on deadlines, and they can easily pay on their portal, route to their portal out of the convenience of the mobile app. And also we have some like tiny little features like white and black lists, CGPA calculator, and all these things. So this white and black list gives a target, like students will have a goal to work towards, that yes, I want to work towards my name appearing on the white list, and I want to work towards me not being on the black list this week or this semester, as the case may be. So this is going to be a list of students that maybe like have high academic performance or moral standards, or they were able to represent the school very well in some area. So that is going to work towards the development of the school and the students. So these are the features that we have on the app. Thanks for watching. Control Shift 5.